In this video, we will learn how to draw a beautiful scene in MS Paint. So let's start the video. First, select the line and drag it like this. Using the Fill with Color tool, select different colors from the color palette and fill different areas with color. After that, go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio, remove the size using Ctrl X and put one there. Then click OK. Again go to Resize, click on Pixel, deselect Maintain Aspect Ratio and paste the first number again in place of 1. Then click OK. This will create a gradient color here. Select all, copy it, click on right, paste it here. Go to Rotate, select Flip Vertical. Select the brush tool with a soft edge, change the color and prepare the mountain. Select Oval tool, outline, make it no outline. Select solid color from fill and let's draw the moon too. Select the brush, change the color and even draw the bird. Prepare the tree and flowers by increasing the brush size. Let's draw the stars in the sky. By following this step, you learn how to create a beautiful scene in Microsoft Paint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.